Let's learn CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It's used to style and design web pages that are created using HTML. You can add CSS to your HTML in three main ways. The first one is inline, the second one is internal, and the third one is external. Let's work with it. At the first, I use pair of header1 tag, and inside the header1 tag I wanna write this is my CSS example, and after that I need paragraph. Inside the pair of paragraph I need paragraph, and I need learn. After that, let's write it again. Select tab. Let's write one more time and finish. This is our web page, and now let's add CSS into our web page. At the first step, I want to use inline way. In CSS, in inline way, you have to use or you have to add CSS inside the first tag. For adding CSS at the first, you have to write a style attribute, and inside the style attribute I wanna select background color, for example white, and let's choose or let's add background color into our main body. Let's see. This is our background color, and this our first or this our header1 background color, and let's add another background color for our first paragraph. For example, at the first one I want to take red. At the second paragraph I want to choose green. At the third paragraph I want to choose blue background color. Now let's see it. Look, this is our HTML web page, and when we adding a style, this is CSS. And remember this, that CSS is like clothes for our web page. And now let's adding CSS in internal way. By internal way, you have to write pair of style tag inside the head tag, and at the first you have to specify for which elements you want to add CSS or you want to add a style. At the first I wanna write for body section. After this, brackets, and inside the brackets we have to take the CSS background color. And now I want to choose background color into another color. After that, let's choose for our header1 background color and write background color. For example, now I want to change the no, it's good. I think white is good. And after that, for paragraph, look, we have three paragraphs, and if I write P, the all paragraph will be changed. But for this reason we have selector and CSS. The first one is class, the second one is ID or identifier. With identifier you can bring change or you can add CSS for unique elements, and with class, selector, and CSS you can change or bring a style into multiple elements. For this reason, let's use from ID. I think I don't need for this, and also I don't need for this because I specified at the top. And now I need something else like ID. And now I want to use ID. The first I want to use another ID. Second, I want to use another ID. Third, and I don't need this because I wanna use CSS in another way, an internal way. Now let's specify this. When you wanna specify the ID, you have to write hash the first, and after that you have to write the name of your ID. For example, first, and inside the first I wanna change the color of that into green, and after that I want another paragraph second. Inside of this, background color into red. I want to change the colors of paragraphs, and the third one is third, and inside of this let's write background color into blue. Now let's save this and let's see it. This is our internal way in CSS, and we have another way, external way. In external way, I recommend that external way is the best way among the others, and in this way we have to make another file by CSS extension. For example, I want to read index.css, enter, and inside this let's copy this, paste it here, save it, and we don't need this anymore. Let's delete this, and we have to do one thing. We have to link our HTML file with CSS file. For this reason we have to write link. After that we have to write rel mean relationship, and inside the relationship we have to write a style sheet. And after that, with href we have to specify this CSS file, and after that let's close the tag and see it. This is CSS. With CSS we can add a style into our web page.